welcome and come back to the late night show. You know, baby, you know what they do. You know, my mind. I think one evil spirit. Not you the craze. I be like, wait, you're not serious. Please behave yourself. Never go there. See, for this your young life, what you get. Not try am again. You understand me? Easy bit. Come, Lara, stop they tell me nonsense for my ear. That's my producer. She just know how to talk nonsense. Okay, quickly. Ladies and gentlemen, we get one other guest inside the building, and this bros, now one person who knows I don't see on top TV for different angles. Back then, when I did, when I did school and the hustle some other things, I'd always see him for TV, both as an actor and as musician. All right. Earlier, I don't announce his name before, so he been day road onto some kind slow waka, not as Lagos is be. But ladies and gentlemen, can help me make welcome Bobby Michael. Yay! Mickey! I think call you Mickey.
Whatever.
Or Bobby.
Anyone
walk
Anyone works,
because
yeah.
myself, my name is Michael, but most of the time, I like to rub them in, Actually, my name is Michael, but, they call me Ogbolo, just, Bobby, what's up?
I'm good, man.
What, for some time now, I never see you, man. Say you run, come out for the country, go shop money somewhere else, because as you see now, let's say belly don't follow come out, so. Because there's so much money things, the belly is throwing.
Well, which I go talk now. It's been those days as when they do this thing and Nollywood and music and everything. By 2002, it started to occur to me and to people where they are around me, especially family.
Okay.
That it's about time that the boy gets an education.
Okay.
It wasn't just enough to have the whole secondary school, to
certificate
your name,
to your hand.
Because in the future, anything might just, go
pop
wrong
up, happen, yes.
So I come out, I go England, get my degree, then from there I move to South Africa.
Okay.
And in South Africa, a lot of people might not even know. I did a lot of work for Channel O as a presenter at that time.
Okay.
And I dabble into film.
Okay.
I go film school, for Cape Town, do a couple of South African soap opera, and film. And then, about 4 years ago, I decided I wanted to come back to Nigeria. Okay. So I don't come back now, and Nollywood embrace me back full time. So I don't do so much work with MME Song, almost like 6-7 movies with her, Desmond Elliott and the rest of them. So much films, even with the local people. So I did happy to say, I'm back here, and I'm here to explode.
Okay, now you don't come back now.
Yeah.
After the many sojourning, the plenty work away, full everywhere, go here, go there,
Exactly.
go here, go there.
Exactly.
Now, but on your music P, because I remember that time when you do R&B that year.
Yeah.
There's so commercial, they we're going to look like this.
Oh, my word.
But, how for you, music and movies? Because you be one of those people who I will talk, say, you don't face hammer as actor, you won't come try music. Or say you don't hammer as musician, you won't come try acting. I know say since that time, they do and they come.
Yeah.
So what's up? How you take the balance the two sides?
Well, basically, the thing is, music is my first love,
Okay.
And from those days for secondary school, just I would write all those material while they write,
Yeah, okay.
And 2001, when I do my first album, Eyes of a Child, I don't know if you remember that album. And for me, it was more like passion.
For passion
Yeah,
first.
it was passion.
Because now you be in love.
Yeah, passion, Then as
now,
yes,
because some people just sit down and say, me, now I'll be recording artists. But when you call yourself entertainer
first, yes, me. Anywhere where if I introduce myself anywhere in this world where we be, it be Bobby Michael's entertainer. In the sense that if not female,
bam,
I did. If not musical,
you did there.
I did. If not VJ,
You did there. If not to this, do strip club, come on.
I know that one. I know that
no,
one.
if you try, yo, Nicky, forget that thing. Forget this thing. I know that thing. See, this thing, I tell you like this. My brother, just buy pole for us. Just start from there, put one pole for us. The thing will call you. Climb me now. You know, fit. Just carry oil, put for body. You big now. What you do?
I could do that one when I used to have to do that. This one when they talk now.
Yeah.
Maybe like when I did teenage.
That year.
When I did teenage.
But you never.
But now leave that thing. Man, they in their 30s. You know,
now
you
are still a young man.
I know, but and then when you're in your 30s and you don't get some kind, like. I get my 2 little daughters,
Oh.
I don't go begin to explain to them, say, oh, you know why daddy put that stuff on his body?
Yeah,
because,
My
the children don't go understand that one.
My daddy's a stripper.
I don't know whether they race for London. They had the too fast.
Go far past our own there for years.
Before once at a time, say, don't mind your father, he's a stripper. I go explain that one.
Let's say occupation.
Yes.
Father's occupation.
Stripper.
He's strip for a living. but talking about daughters now, how it be being popsy, wasted into entertainment and everything, balancing the whole works.
The thing they say, it's I tell some people, like the time when my picking them. Pearl and Paris.
Pearl and Paris.
And Paris, yeah.
Now, wow. You really should say you don't rock more for this country. Pearl and Paris. Pearl, come here. Paris, New York. Come. Maybe New York is the one never come for us. Pearl, Paris.
The time when they born them, I still did 23.
Okay.
And at that time, a lot of our people, with me and them, they do our thing. Then they go talk, oh boy. You get mind though, how you go, at this stage when other people they want, But for me, I enjoy family life. I like family life. I like children. I like,
just
cousins,
get family
uncles.
around you,
Like
make everybody just there together.
I know the when I small, I never believe that I will get picking for my life.
Serious.
Because they wonder say, how then they do them? How is it possible? Because they believe say, if you get picking now, they believe that God's greatest gift to you.
True.
Some people they will not get.
Exactly.
So as these ones then come, now over enjoyment enter my life.
So at last, God don't bless you with 2, and you don't enjoy that thing you receive.
I tell you.
Now, what's in the happen now for Bobby Michael? What's in done on ground now before we come out for the interview?
Now I get my film company now.
Okay.
Which is the Pearl and Paris company.
Okay. Oh, Steve Pelham. Okay.
Yeah. And we will start to do our own films this year.
Okay.
We get in pipeline to do 2 different movies for Africa.
Okay.
And so far, I work for so many other different people. Like you may know, say 2 days ago, Iniedo released a new film.
Yes.
While We Slept.
Yes.
I've been there part of the
whole
cast
project,
for that film, and so many other films. My song they released in Lagos Cougar Reloaded. I've been there part of me, Rita Dominic, and a lot of us.
So that means many things they pipe up now.
Things that happen here and there. On our politics don't begin happen.
Most def.
I go there when the election start.
Of course.
Me, I go shoot for London.
So you they run now. For your mind, they go shoot for London. Make I just carry for mad. I say you won't go shoot for London. Don't be say you run.
I don't run.
By Friday now, I don't know say people don't enter road.
So when I call, say how far is everything okay? I say
everything go dey okay. Nothing they happen. We shall live in peace, and in peace shall we be.
Amen.
Bobby, that means before the end of the year, go hear many more things from Bobby Michael.
Jesus' name.
No wahala. We wish you the best.
Thank you very
much. And of course, since you don't there for the whole thing since, that means you don't carry plenty experience for this whole thing. Go make you launch out on making sense things before this year ends. All right, Bobby, thank you very much again. So you join us for the show.
Man.
All right, man. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, the show continues. We're not going anywhere. That's still the late night show. All right, just go W Late Night Show on top Twitter. Go there, do your yarning things. All right, so no go anywhere. We get Dija. They come now, and she go follow us yarn on top of every, and that will make sense. Okay, easy beat. Baby. Okay, we don't come back. Oh, babe. Oh, yeah, baby. This song reminds me of one girl like that, one of my former friends. She liked this song that year. Not be that year, you know about to say. She liked the song. So if I hear the song, that they remind me of him. Oh, God, he's touching my heart. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the time have come. Easy Beat, are you ready? Are you ready? The time you have come now for me to bring in someone from the Mavins Records Company, one very, very fine girl, one very, very making sense girl like this, very, very prolific. The real one, no, not be the joking one, though. Ladies and gentlemen, help me make welcome DJ! Hey! So we go dance now.
But you know the Hausa.
We go dance. Hey! Chuck up. Anyone they want. Shocky don't collect everything. One joy, all joy. Any which one, you cover the eye, you do Illuminati, anything you do.
Oh, they talk like this now.
Nah, definitely not.
This one now, Bruce Lee, you do like this.
You are welcome. Make DJ somebody looking very, very beautiful.
See now, they try to reach me. If I bring my reset now.
Let's make a just come on, man. Make a just wear black and black. Move for your blend.
We match since. Just they do now because Mr. Bobby come they wear.
Bobby come, we do red.
Now
bloody things.
No, they match all of us. No, even the painting, you match with the painting.
That painting,
See.
You still get your own things for the painting things. So for people who don't know, you said you get a visual artist something somewhere. I get one of those paintings will remain now. For say what you use for, give me an example now. What do you see?
What do I see?
What do you see?
but I saw a lot of things.
Inside the whole things there,
I saw a lot of things.
DJ.
A lot of emotions.
Inside the whole
everything.
You get on what I say, but no one talk am. Now one woman did not wear clothes. So
I see that one.
I just dodge and say.
I see that one too, but you know say nah, you not just go. You feel say you see, you feel talk what you really see, but nobody see what it means.
You understand? You say maybe as you just see some kind of thing, you say actually this is the future.
That's like, well, what I was trying to show you wasn't the calabash that you're looking at.
I never wear a soji like this. You check, you're very sharp. You show that you sharp very well. You can talk some underground things. People will no.
See,
like him now, you know just know what they talk for your mind now. What are they saying?
Calabash, you know?
Yeah.
Love of this.
You are deep, oh. Okay, you could do psychology.
You say, hey.
No, go drop out.
You know they work in real life sometimes.
But so I like this now. Most people when they say they do psychology, that means if they look person now, they all say I know what you are thinking.
No. I always say I'm not a psyche.
People know the two feet differentiate the two sides. Psychics then psychology where they use life and everything to the balance things.
Because there are some things people say if you see that thing, then get some side where person go pass. But I know they see the kind, so I know if you see your own.
So that means your own is not a spiritual something. You say you go school, go learn it. You know me say double degree.
No.
You be like who go like book.
No, they get people who don't do plenty pass that one. No. I beg.
But you go carry double come.
No, we just.
As for biology. And it's like, I want to tell people now what they don't know about you. Nobody just say, as one, or Yaro. We still get person where we know as a DJ. We say go school. She goes school, no. Not say because she just fine, they do music and everything. She goes school. You say, go to school.
See, I don't tell everybody for this place, say on our own laundry mat. See, when I come in here, the washing, where I just feed.
For the whole thing.
See, when I know they even dry myself I finish.
I will go, now that one, we go
another
wash,
cycle.
Yeah, we will wash you finish. You will get washing machine for back now.
Who need hype man? See, don't need hype man.
So I joined the hype like this now.
See, I will just play segments of late show for my show like this. Just after when I
for the hyping and everything.
Yes.
Now we get some of your pictures now. When you say we just chuck you with them, because you don't particular one where you carry your plenty hair. And I've been get plans for that particular thing.
Hey,
that hair thing we can't happen now. DJ Nation. See this for this easy bit. If you just wake up one day, just your Jericho hair. Just put down, just start something easy beat century.
You know Sikorede?
Korede wink.
Even Korede
He has
said
they trend up and down. Korede wink one, bim, it turn to something. So you feel start something now.
That's it.
How that one take start?
honestly, see. But yeah,
You said
I don't even know where to start. See, I don't know where to begin.
Because we even get picture of different people there.
See, as my fans there, as they sit down like this, now them say they help me name them. Person don't ask me, say what fans called, what are they called, what is this, what? I say, see, as I do. One, as I just sit down like this, I look Twitter and say, I'm a Nigerian.
Nigerian.
I say, I like your style. Can I take it? Now I can't call everyone Nigerian. Under Niger Nation.
Oh.
So it's a country.
So
Niger
now
Nation, Nigeria.
now.
Very soon, passports go just there.
Go fall out very soon. Now don't get president. They never get president. They do election.
She be president now.
Okay, now she be president.
Yes, la.
Oh, first lady.
Eh?
Now wow. You not first lady. Your Highness.
No,
you're welcome, ma.
you know, sometimes me, I get standing.
Okay.
Then they pull the strings from
a corner, something like that.
Yeah.
Now, okay, more Kuku show some of the pictures of some people we don't carry.
I too they fear with the pictures because sometimes the pictures where they.
Not fear. Like this one now. This Molly, you know, very.
This is the most recent one.
Yeah, this one a
She's
very
so
recent
cute.
one. Very cute somebody like this.
See, her and her mama, they just they wear the same clothes, the same picture.
Eh.
Now fashionista already.
See this other
Okay,
one
they copy
like
her
this now.
swag. See, then they try from you.
I see, they just they carry your this one for me now legacy don't they keep for ground so.
But
see
you
this
know,
one, sef.
this kind of thing, they gonna make person curse me because this kind of style, na style way, na regular style.
Yes.
Me be that kind of person where you don't see my hair, so I just dey look for things. Wey,
Just to the.
So if you just say, I don't see this, no, I don't see this style for person here. I don't see this style, but it just.
Now because now DJ I can't use
My people don't hold them.
There's a difference between
See,
just
they don't
any
hold am.
hair and a DJ using the hair. There are two different kind of something. You understand? So as a DJ come and wear the hair now come and look important to everybody.
Thank
That
God.
is the equation.
But
But then when you carry your plenty hair before.
I see they carry
You see they carry them.
I see they carry am. When the day we start, no day.
For my see,
No,
you
they get those
understand?
kind of days. We no be every day they
You
think
go
of
say
which
do all those
style
things.
to do.
Because me now, I don't try for all my life. Say make I grow hair, no agree work.
But
I
it's
could
going
call
in the
this
right
creep
place,
everything.
Sina.
No, this one day. If I tell you how many.
But actually, they
months,
wonder. Hair go just dey here like this plenty. Then this one.
No go. It's they
Go
baffle
just
me self
see.
because you not gree grow for here, but they grow for this
I always
place.
just say, see the God where they serve, you get sense of humor.
This hair. This is the picture of everything. Because this picture now.
This
even
one now,
me,
Obi Somto don't fix.
I don't bring something to. Which I say, I go do my own too. I say me, I go do my own too. Because this hair, if we no get I go fix am. So now we don't blend a hair. So
If you don't tell me now, this kind of thing, maybe they give me ahead of time. Make I come with my own now.
now
We just
I
do
will
and
tell
go.
you know. I'm not too far from there really like this, Abi. I'm not too far.
Kai, kaga yanda kai kyau.
Hey,
Ko ka gani ba?
wallahi.
Chap nija.
Okay, so try an interview now. I go be like this now, just to flow with you.
And you expect me make I just no laugh. Make I
No,
just
just
dey
try,
like
just
this.
try, just hold
can't wait,
yourself.
Make I just dey like this.
Just hold yourself down,
Okay, I go hold
you know.
myself.
But how I take the stay with all this hair like this?
Okay. Something will be your own. You go just know how
You
to
just
manage.
dey-
You go know how to manage. But I don't cut them tired.
but
Even now,
okay,
sef, my
means
body
one-
don't they scratch me now and then. Now people just dey ask me, Dija, now brand now. We need to brand this thing. Now. I don't get. So that's why the hair just dey
But
under
two
like
things,
this.
Dija, you know, on another note now, I dey feel myself like this. So.
You don't see yourself as you
No,
match
I
your
dey feel
clothes.
like somebody way, you know.
See as you match your clothes now.
You get these
Yeah.
twins, and when they
We
dance
fit
for
turn
US.
them around though. Make I just interview you because the way you look right now, too beautiful.
For do am o.
See.
For us try do
See,
that
why
kind of
not?
thing. Okay. Nothing go happen now.
I understand.
Consider. So you just interview me. So now, thank you.
Oh wow, I'm this beautiful hair. I'm really loving it. Who inspired you?
You know, actually, it was inspired by, you know, I see one guy for US. I've been seeing one guy armpit. You understand? The guy just raised his hand. Like when I see bush, you know, it just give me inspiration.
And the same color.
Oh yeah, the same color.
Beautiful.
You know. So-
That's my
so-
next. See, I always they look for style. Maybe DJ hair gang. Now we go try.
Yes,
Absolutely love.
We fit just try them. You understand? Because as it be like this now, different things they inspire me.
Yes.
You understand? Different things. I recently bring out one perfume. They just call the perfume
Aphrodisia.
Aphrodisia.
Yeah,
You know,
for
because that
aphrodisiac.
perfume I did, you know, some time back when I for South Africa, I did have one boss. You know,
That's
one guy
true.
just carrying hand up. You know, as the guy carried the hand up, one smell just hit me. Boom! You know, it just scatter my. So you give me
And
inspiration.
the inspiration.
Yes, to do a
See,
perfume
I like
for
your
people.
style. I
You know,
like your style.
Thank you very much.
Inspiration
Thank you.
comes from
Everywhere.
Including-
Everywhere. Yes, from here to, so the thing they donate for the atmosphere.
See.
And everything. Yeah.
I like your style. I love it.
This your glass makes sense when I
See,
put your head.
you don't understand.
Yes,
I mean, nah. One guy give me like this. One guy give me the glass.
What's the guy?
See, let me tell you the first thing. What inspired me? Where give me the glass like?
What inspired
I'm
you?
happy. I should just.
All right. Okay, now from here I go take it next thing. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, from here now we go play one skip because like say, Dija, somehow I don't know when I watch some videos of you, they do me like say you go like trouble. You be like you go like wahala.
I don't understand. I don't hear people they laugh.
No, because
outside of where we did like this.
some girls they want to know we be like you like this. Oh, blood do kayabayi.
But which kind of trouble now?
The thing like this, okay, we'll get one video of you and Bobby. We are gonna do some kind of craze for inside elevator. All right, so make we see this video. We they come back now. Now DJ still inside here. We will see every. All right. See, you slap and tutu.
See, my brother, no be like give you. After we finish, I can't beg. Because the first time we do, I said, teacher, you need to, don't worry. I'm used to, I told my face, don't worry, we'll do this right. We'll get it right.
Now, baby,
see,
you, man, what's up for
now I can't do like this. Can't say me do
because you put respect.
No, you know that kind of way, you just know. Now I see them say acting, I not be actress. So I say, make I act this slap. He say, no, teacher, I go, see, you don't know when they roll. When I just do like this. Don't be sound effect they use.
So now the real slap.
Like the real slap, see, he hold himself. After we come finish, he gonna say, oh, more that slap. No, but Bobby.
No. But when I first watched that in the first time, it too sweet me because I like the creativity. Bobby is a person very creative, very creative. But on the final pin now, quickly. Your song, Oh.
Yes.
What inspired that thing?
First and foremost, na the beats, because see that beats, when I first hear the beats, I can't wonder for inside studio, because I don't come studio first. I go inside studio, I don't hear beats. Can't enter inside one of the other producers' rooms. I don't go upstairs, can't come back down. Can't they wonder where the beats they come from?
The beats they call
see,
you.
now the beat they call me, and that beat they call me.
So from there.
Now I can't enter inside, I can't see Jazzy and all teams. See, as I sit down like this, I just there, and I see, no, that last, can't go back to the last beat. Now from there, on a Sunday, from there, me and they shy sometimes when I record me and Jazzy. Yes. Because when you deal with person we know
I go ask you
go
that
come
one.
Think for your mind.
How did they feel today, part of that whole
everybody where they maybe where they don't blow finish.
Tiwasabi they there, Dr. C they there, the Prince they there.
No, honestly, is see if you know. If ever you know get motivation before, you go get motivation that time when you enter.
Exactly, because you don't want people then way their heads have the hot.
See, their head they hot, then they walk, then they motivate you self as you day. You know that kind of thing. You just get the amount of the kind of people where you need to get
around
to push you to the next level. See, now the family I get now.
So someone like you now you could be like second lady now as Tiwade, Yusef Konde. On a good day, how na relationship they build na rapport, you and like Tiwa Savage?
You go laugh that but it's actually very funny.
Very funny.
It's very cool.
Because one person with me, I been get crush on from a distance.
Tiwa, because Tiwa too grew up with brothers as well, and I grew up with a brother, but also had cousins living. So we today joke today, and then we they also in the midst of everybody, all the guys.
We get some of the pictures, all of them they play and everything.
No, but on the airport,
of course, now we don't get choose now. We don't get choose now. People they do correct
music
and
make sense music.
Now,
I mean, I know understand.
Yeah, you know.
Now when they look the die.
Dija Nation.
Hey gang.
All right, now they come out for the whole thing. But what would they expect from you now?
No, many
aside
things.
From
like
this hour day on ground now, what they come up now?
Many things. I don't do some features with some people where I know soon I go happy by the grace of God. Make I not let the cat out of the bag like they say.
Okay, so
I join my broken too with my own English as
exactly.
You do.
People don't know say I know they don't see you speaking English before.
I don't really understand as I stand here right now. I just want to tell you what I have next.
Forget you not see area. Forget that thing. You not see full area. There's the area that's in your body. What's wrong?
No, but I don't do one thing with one my KD brother Mo, official Big Mo.
Okay.
It's called Get Everything. So I feature for the song. The video they come out very soon. I can't jump on Henry. See Henry Nice. I love Olokpa. Olokpa remix. I jump for the remix with Yemi Alade and Joel. So that one they come out very soon. But my own single, by the grace of God, in between all my features, another one they come out, and I hope say. you know.
We're going to hear from you in a bigger
go
way.
touch your heart
You
to
go
the
touch
same
our
way.
rat, our rat.
Your rat. Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
So on Twitter, how does it jam, Dija?
Twitter, Instagram, and they try make am easy, Aphrodisia.
Aphrodisia.
Yeah, APHRODIJA. Aphrodisia. Yes. Twitter, Instagram. I beg when they tweet, when they some honestly some I they see because when I love too plenty, they block some other ones, but they try.
They push on good down.
They try, no, but I love my fans. See, then they craze, then they just they
No,
go
they-
in.
once-
The day when they don't like what I do, they go tell me. The day when they didn't like what I do, they go tell me. Anyone, then they tell me.
Once fans don't love you, they don't love you.
I know.
It's not that the love, na hard
is too
love.
strong. The love, now go there, mukuso.
Now go there.
Amaka, how some can be one number? Don't worry,
Something.
the apple.
Yes.
See,
you
if
know.
I speak Yoruba for you now, you could laugh.
Oh, they get even me. I know sabi use
See,
Yoruba self.
the only thing I know, no, they make sense.
All right, Gija, thank you very much.
Thank
Join
you
us for the
very
show
much.
today.
Thank you.
Ladies
Thank
and
you.
gentlemen, we know say I don't enjoy every
Yes.
on top the show
Wait,
for this
I
night.
never finished with your interview now.
So
Yo,
okay,
yo,
now you go
yo,
wrap up. Now you go wrap up.
yeah,
Now you go wrap up the interview
yeah.
now. So thank you.
So I just want to say now that I'm here with my let's just give it to the professional.
Now
See this.
that camera you go no you go do am. You go do am. That camera you go look.
We didn't wrap up. As you can see right now.
The
We
late
came
night
with
show.
a guest right now. She's right here with us, Dija.
Now she now. Hi. Thank you.
You know, right now we're here with the late night show. We're enjoying ourselves and
Yeah.
we're loving the song. Oh, as you can tell, I believe you. I just wanted to say I love Mr. Agbalo because he makes me think of Agbana soup every time I think of
baby.
it.
Huh. All right, so thank you to all of you now. We joined us on top of the show for today. Dija, thank you very much.
Thank you. And
you know.
shout out
Yes.
to our favorite DJ.
Easy
Shout out.
Easy beats. All right, so from here, good night
you.
to everybody. Make una jam us on top Twitter, okay? At W Late Night Show. At W Late Night Show. Go there, jam us, follow us relate, and every we say we'll follow on our back, and then we'll do so many things. Thank you to Bobby Michael. Thank you to Oga Sojiwe join us too onto the artist things. And of course, we'll go see you now tomorrow. God bless all of you now. Make sure you catch better night, sleep well, no bad dream. Sleep well. Easy bit. Give us music. We are going to dance.